Hi, I'm Laura, Omniyogagirl, and today I'm just showing you a short tutorial on how to get into Dhanurasana or bow pose from the Ashtanga Yoga Intermediate series. So bow pose is a back bend. It's a shoulder stretch, chest opener. Obviously, it helps to increase the flexibility of the spine, but it also helps to increase the strength of the legs and the strength needed for safe back bends. So I'm going to be showing you how to get into it and giving you some alignment cues as well. Please make sure you warm up before you try this. Maybe warm up with some back bends like cobra pose or up dog. Make sure to warm up your shoulders as well. So to come into bow pose, we want to begin in downward facing dog. Set up your down dog. Band is engaged. And inhale, coming forward to plank. Exhale, chaturanga. Maybe see if you can hover for a moment and then come all the way down. To lift up into bow pose, ideally we want to try and take hold of both ankles at the same time so we avoid pulling one side of the body. Have the knees hip width apart, but bring the feet together so the base of the big toes are touching. So pick the feet up, bending them towards you, and then reach back. See if you can grab hold of both of your ankles at the same time. To set up, press the crests of your hip bones firmly into the mat. Pull the belly in. Again, keep that firm. We want to try to avoid rocking in bow pose if possible. So push the feet into the hands. Pull with the hands. Use that equal activation of both to create the bend. Extend and use all the muscles in the back of your body to lift up. And then exhale, releasing back down. Place the hands under the shoulders, tuck the toes under, and inhale, pushing up, upward dog, and exhale, downward dog. And then bring the knees back down to the mat. So bow pose in the Ashtanga Yoga tradition is really just as much about strength, if not more so about strength, than it is about flexibility. So you may well feel your thigh muscles burning. In fact, that's a really good sign because we want to be using the strength of the legs in order to create the bend. Think about internally rotating the thighs to kind of free up the lower back. As I said before, continue to firmly press the crests of your hip bones into the mat and keep the lower belly firm as well. So think about that equal balance between pulling with the arms and pushing with the feet. So it's that strength and that tension, if you like, that will create the bend. And we're using all of the muscles in the back of our body to help support that as well. So I hope you found that useful. Please let me know if you have any suggestions or feel free to leave any comments in the comments section, and don't forget to click subscribe. Thank you very much.